Welcome, basketball families. I'm Coach Anthony Reed with Hoopcasters, and today I want to introduce the parents that are raising young basketball players to a unique way of increasing your family's hoop skills IQ. Okay, families, I know you have heard of IQ and basketball IQ, but in this class, I'm going to show you what makes Hoopcasters unique. Okay? I'm going to show you how I can customize learning for you to grow at your pace and at your level. And I'm going to show you how much you can learn. So, basketball parents and beginners, what will you learn first? And I use the word first because this is an ongoing learning platform for parents and youth. We're going to lay the foundation and then build on that from class to class, from assessment to assessment, steadily increasing your hoop skills IQ. I want to be your family basketball coach. Here's more about my background and to ensure you're in good hands. Okay, basketball families, this class is broken down into 4 quarters. First, we're going to discuss basic basketball positions and responsibilities of each position. Then I'm going to talk about the areas on the court. And then we're going to wrap up this class with a post-assessment. So, if you're raising a young basketball player, in order to get the most out of this class, I want you to focus on the position your athlete plays. As we go through every phase, positions, the responsibilities of each position and the areas on the court, we want to focus on the position your athlete plays, or if you're the athlete, what position do you play? Let me show you one of our learning tools. Check out this quick video question. Okay, families, here's another video question to help increase your hoop skills IQ. Take a look at the video and see if you can tell me what position is number 4 playing in the video. I'll see you in 15 seconds with your answer and explanation. Okay, basketball families, your answer is number 4 is playing the power forward position. And if you couldn't tell that by looking at the positions of the players on the floor and the numbers, then you are definitely a beginner or a parent that wants to learn more about what's going on the basketball court. Maybe your child loves this game, so why not learn more about the game your child loves? I'll be your coach in this lecture. Come join me and increase your hoop skills IQ. I'll see you in class.